The S&P 500 is just slightly lower this morning, and it may be headed for its fourth straight weekly loss. To take a look at today's trading and talk about what's next, we're going to head to the Chicago Board Options Exchange. Pat Kerman is a trader at Cardinal Capital Management. Pardon me, Pat. He trades S&P 500 options. Pat, let's start with this. I was looking at the relationship between puts and calls on the S&P 500, and as you know, I know you know, earlier this week, that relationship hit, at least the puts versus calls, hit a 4-month high. What's that tell you about the direction of the stock market right now?
Well, it has. What it's telling me right now is with the S&P trading below 900, people are starting to get a little more nervous again. When we were up trading up around 9.25, we kind of saw some complacency in the market. People weren't nearly as concerned about the downside. Now we broke down through 900. We're right around 875 in the future. There's a lot of speculation if we're going to go to 8.5. A lot of people are getting kind of concerned. They're buying puts. They're selling calls against their positions right now to try and hedge positions.
This is all about insurance, right?
Yeah, basically options give you insurance on stock. You can buy puts to protect yourself on the downside, or you can buy calls for the upside. Basically what we've seen is people buying puts. They're coming in. They're trying to protect their portfolios, it seems like, for a downside move for the next few months here.
All right, now one quick question. With all that demand for puts, are we seeing prices for those options rise?
Well, we have. Over the last few days with the sell-off in the S&P, we have seen the VIX rally. Right now, the CBOE volatility index, the VIX, it's trading just under 30 right now. I think if we look at the S&P 500 right now, it's trading about 878. I think if we have it close below 871 today, you're going to see the VIX probably trend higher pretty quickly. If we can close above the 200-day moving average in the S&P, up above 883, I think you're going to see the VIX sell off. We're going to see it'll be a bullish sign for next week. One thing to keep in mind is next week is options expiration. So realistically, we'll probably see a pretty volatile week next week with the options expiring too.
All right, Pat, you have a good weekend. That is Pat Kerman live from the CBOE on the S&P 500.